Ready to take your VeChain wallet tracking to the next level? Click the link in the description below to snag your discount on CoinTracking. Alright, so you've got your VeChain wallet and you're riding the waves of the crypto market. But how do you keep track of all those transactions, gains, and losses without pulling your hair out? Enter CoinTracking. CoinTracking is your ultimate tool for portfolio management and crypto tax reporting. And the best part? It supports over 10,000 coins. Yep, that includes our beloved VeChain. First things first, let's get your VeChain transactions into CoinTracking. Head to the CoinTracking website and sign up if you haven't already. Once you're in, go to the Enter Coins section and select Exchange Imports. Now look for VeChain in the list. See it? Awesome. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your API key and secret from your VeChain wallet. Don't worry, it's all secure and encrypted. Copy and paste those keys into CoinTracking, and just like magic, your transactions start importing. You'll see all your buys, sells, transfers, and even staking rewards right there in your dashboard. Next, let's talk about the dashboard. It's like your crypto command center. You can see your portfolio value, profit and loss, and even cool graphs showing your performance over time. It's super visual and easy to understand. But wait, there's more. CoinTracking isn't just about tracking. It also helps you with tax reporting. Yep. All those dreaded tax forms can be a breeze with CoinTracking. It generates tax reports based on your transaction history. Just a few clicks, and you're ready for tax season. And for the cherry on top, CoinTracking offers advanced analysis tools. Want to see your top performing coins? Or maybe you need to figure out your average buy price. It's all there. So, if you're serious about managing your VeChain and other crypto investments, CoinTracking is a no-brainer. Click the link in the description below to get your discount and take control of your crypto portfolio today. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.